BRH Leasing is a South Carolina registered LLC that was formed primarily to take advantage of an expanding ambulatory heart market that exists nationwide. The partnership consists of three separate entities coming together to accomplish this mission. October Light Development, BRH Leasing, and Biowatch Medical have joined forces to maximize the expertise of Biowatch Medical while offering a very competitive return to the participants of the partnership. October Light Development has escrowed $1 million. BRH Leasing has funded $300,000 and has committed to raising another $700,000. Biowatch Medical will act as a fee-only vendor to the partnership and will monitor the 1,300 devices purchased by the partnership. Biowatch Medical has been in operation for more than 10 years. They own the patent on an ambulatory heart monitor that has already had wide acceptance in the cardiology community. Here's an early marketing piece they put together about how the device works.
Biowatch Medical introduces personal health monitoring services, a subscription service dedicated to people with medical problems who can benefit from a direct link to critical care specialists 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our critical care specialists connect to subscribers via a vital signs transmitter, which sends 2 channels of ECG to Biowatch Medical's clinical monitoring center. When pre-programmed settings or normal limits are not maintained, data is transmitted in real time to our critical care specialists, who take appropriate action to assist the subscriber. Should the critical care specialist at the clinical monitoring center determine that a subscriber's electrocardiogram or other physiological parameters have become abnormal, they will contact them to begin appropriate intervention. If the subscriber is unable to respond, emergency medical service personnel may be dispatched to their exact location utilizing an internal global positioning system. Family members and personal physicians may be notified as well. The Vital Signs Transmitter, a comfortable belt worn around a subscriber's torso, houses a sophisticated micro-miniature monitoring device that contains a microprocessor, interpretive software algorithms, cellular modems for voice and data transmission, and a GPS locator. With our clinical specialists continually monitoring heart conditions, early detection of myocardial infarction or heart attack is possible, thereby allowing preventative treatment to be administered. Unlike other ECG monitors, the Vital Signs transmitter operates without the use of external adhesive wet gel electrodes that can cause skin irritation and require replacements every day. Currently, there are no equivalent competitive services available to the general public or medical community that compare to the personal health monitoring services and Vital Signs transmitter. The market potential for this type of product and service is astounding. With more than 4,000 heart attacks occurring in America every day, there is a strong need for this type of preemptive care. In fact, world-renowned electrophysiologist Dr. Mark Josephson speaks to the importance of time in a cardiac event in presentations he makes across the nation. He notes, if those at high risk can be identified and early detection of the symptoms of heart attack can be monitored, then sudden cardiac death can be successfully prevented. In addition, top electrophysiologist Dr. Hein Vellens has written a paper regarding preemptive heart care. Entitled Cardiac Arrest Outside of a Hospital, How Can We Improve Results of Resuscitation? Dr. Vellens also emphasizes the importance of time in a cardiac event. He proposes the answer to this question be solved by developing a device that recognizes cardiac arrest, sounds an alarm, and transmits the location of the victim, shortening the time interval of the different steps in the chain of survival. The personal health monitoring services from Biowatch Medical, working in conjunction with the Vital Signs transmitter, are designed specifically to meet both Dr. Josephson's and Dr. Vellens' points.
I've tested the Vital Signs transmitter and the monitoring service on my patients, and I highly recommend it.
I can now go anywhere I want and do anything I want. With the Vital Signs transmitter and personal health monitoring service, I feel my critical care specialist is only a phone call away.
We decided to get my husband the Vital Signs transmitter and signed up for all their services. Now I don't have to worry about him all the time. Their professionals are doing that without interfering with his work or play.
Patient compliance is the biggest competitive advantage that Biowatch holds over its competition. Most patients, given the choice, will wear the Biowatch monitor. As a company, Biowatch has not been without its struggles. Lack of timely, adequate funding, limited inventory, and the lack of a strong, seasoned leadership team has kept the company from reaching its full potential. The partnership intends to solve all those problems. Recently, Biowatch suspended operations in order to rectify some internal issues. As a result, they acquired a new updated facility, outsourced their IT to the Blue Oak Network, reduced unnecessary staff, and instituted an entire culture change, as well as create a more robust sales distribution system using in-house and contract salespeople. The market is obviously growing. Aging baby boomers will push this number to around $1.3 billion by 2016. Biowatch, as a result of this partnership, will be poised to take advantage of this growth. Information from the American Heart Association only makes it more evident a device like the VST monitor is needed on a larger scale. The largest competitor of Biowatch has only captured about 5% of this growing market. At an exit, the list of potential purchasers is sizable. Mergers and acquisitions happen almost daily in the biotech and medical arenas. The money raised from the partnership will be used to purchase new VST devices. These, as well as the revenue created from them, will be the property of the partnership. The partnership will provide a 3x multiple to the investors and an equity position that allows them to participate in any exit event for Biowatch. For providing devices for Biowatch to monitor, BRH Leasing will receive a substantial return on its investment, as well as being involved in the upside potential of this growing market. Senior management, as well as ongoing oversight in the operations of Biowatch, will also be provided by BRH. The combination of guidance and financial support provided by BRH, along with the monitoring expertise of Biowatch, makes a very attractive investment opportunity.